Hi there, you're watching a Gaps.me video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you SuperDocker. SuperDocker is the easiest way to customize Mac OS X. To get started, head off to superdocker.com, where you'll be presented with this lovely looking homepage. It's a free download from this link here. Free download SuperDocker now. It's not the best English, but it gets the message across. To download it, you click the link, it'll mount onto your file system. So merely when the window pops up, drag and drop it into your applications folder, and it's as simple as that. And if you get stuck, Google it. The rest of superdocker.com is full of third-party themes which have been uploaded by developers from, I guess, all the way around the world, with different categories down the right hand side here. But I found a nice one, Snow Leopard Dock by Muskar, as seen there. So I'm going to download that. Ace. Right, so now I've downloaded it, let's get customizing. Just hide Safari. So let's get customizing. We'll launch SuperDocker. I've put it in my dock, but it'll be in your applications folder. So here we're presented with a really nice interface, and it's really easy to use. You check the radio buttons for the options you want. There's a couple of extra features from the usual system preferences customization, such as alignment. You can shift it slightly left and right at the bottom while keeping that awesome 3D effect. You can change the minimizing. The Genie and Scale were pre-built into Mac OS X. But I think that developers have put Suck in because I hadn't seen that before. And Suck seems to be my favourite. So it's a good plus. They've also got support for real separators and not the kiddie cheesy ones you see on the internet. These are proper separators that aren't there, but they are there. It's really good, so I'll just leave that there. You can also add separators to the document section, which takes a bit of clicking and you get one, which I think is possibly a bug, I'm not too sure. But you drag and drop and there it is, and move it back to there, lovely. And when you get bored of them, these separators, click, drag, sorry, you can right click and click remove of course, but you can click drag and poof it away like any other app off the dock, which is excellent. You can customize not only the dock, but the stacks. You can change the colour to a horrible red or an awesome white, as I've chosen. Finder, you can customize the Finder. There's the little checkboxes for that. Dashboard, where you can have dashboard themes. Safari, whereas if you're still using Safari 3, you can customize the loading bar. But Safari 4, drop the loading bar, so that customizing doesn't work anymore. You can customize the system, just a couple of little checkboxes, and here you can customize your logon screen background, so you don't have to go and download an external third-party app like Desktop to log in, as I have over here. You don't need that anymore. You can actually use SuperDocker to do a kind of all-in-one effect, which I think is a major plus. And others, there's just a couple of other little tweaks, like disable iTunes store links and disable iPhone backups if you don't like them. Right, but the main thing about SuperDocker seems to be the themes that it's got on its site. So I'm just going to install a theme, which was automatically unzipped into my downloads folder by Safari. How nice. So there you go, there's my theme. Very few themes don't have a 2D support. But most of them have 3D support, and everyone loves 3D these days, so it's alright. So I'm going to click apply, enter an admin's username and password, and your dock skin is applied successfully. And that looks pretty neat actually, I quite like that. I might keep that for a bit. No, I don't like it anymore. So how do I remove it? Well, simply going back to the dock section, I can click restore on the appearance. In goes the admin username and password, and everything's back to the way it was. If you change something in the stacks and you want to go back to stack settings. There's a little button here saying restore stack settings, which is a bit of a tongue twister, and they have them on every single page. Restore dashboard, restore Safari, restore system, restore others, restore dock. This turns the dock back to its factory settings, so any changes you make, don't be afraid to make these changes, because there's a way to undo them. There's a kind of safety net, which I think makes this app more reliable than some of the other apps I've seen out there. So that's SuperDocker. It's a free download from superdocker.com. I'm James Dryden, recording for gaps.me. If you have any questions, feel free to sign up for the forum, which is completely free, at gaps.me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.